Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cursor AI with GitHub. First, we can open GitHub repository inside Cursor AI. This lets us manage our code, edit files, and use AI to make changes directly in the project. You can clone existing repositories or push a new project from Cursor to GitHub. Now, to do that, go to your GitHub account. Click on the plus sign at the top right, then choose New Repository. Type in a name for your repo and choose whether it's public or private. Once done, click Create. After that, copy your repository link. Next, go back to Cursor AI. Here, you can simply type a prompt like push this project to GitHub, then paste your repository link. Cursor will do the setup automatically, push your files, and you'll see your project appear inside GitHub once it's done. Now, you can also document your workflow using Cursor. Just type a prompt like, document my workflow for this repository, then paste your GitHub link again. Cursor will now generate a workflow file for you. Through this, you'll be able to deploy to GitHub by referencing this workflow. To do that, look on the left panel in Cursor, click on the GitHub workflow that was created, then select deployment under it. Now, type a prompt like deploy as per at deploy.yml and open the file, then select submit. GitHub will then reference that file, check if there are any changes to the repository, and deploy it based on the workflow instructions. With this setup, every update you make can be deployed automatically using the same workflow. Now, if you make changes to your code base, you can simply reference the same workflow again. Just type the prompt and select the deploy.yml file. Cursor will run all the required commands for deployment. You can also create a Cursor Rules folder where you document your GitHub workflow. Just type a prompt like create a Cursor Rules folder with my GitHub deployment, and Cursor will generate the structure for you. Now, if Cursor cannot find the deployment file, just right-click the deploy.yml file, copy its path, and paste it into Cursor saying, "Here is the file." Cursor will then document that file inside the rules folder. To keep all the changes made, simply prompt Cursor to deploy all of this to GitHub. Then just tell it to proceed to confirm. After that, the changes will be pushed through. If you navigate back to GitHub and click Commits on the right corner, you will see the updates you pushed from Cursor to GitHub. And that's it. That's how you use Cursor AI with GitHub. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.